Meaning of homeopath.
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 Homeopath. A homeopath is a practitioner of an alternative system of medicine called homeopathy. Homeopathy is based on the principle that like cures like, meaning a substance that produces symptoms in a healthy person can cure similar symptoms in a sick person when given in tiny doses. Homeopaths use highly diluted natural substances to stimulate the body's self-healing abilities and restore balance. Critics argue that there is little scientific evidence to support homeopathy and accuse homeopaths of promoting unproven remedies. Despite this, homeopathy remains popular in certain parts of the world and is used to treat a variety of conditions.